Hi, in this video, I will show you how to sell on TikTok Shop Singapore. So here's your full guide on how to sell on TikTok Shop in Singapore, covering eligibility, setup, and best practices. So first, let's start with eligibility requirements. For location and account, you must be based in a supported market. Singapore is eligible. So your TikTok account must be switched to a business account in order for you to start selling here on TikTok. Now, when it comes to age, of course, you must be at least 18 years old. TikTok uses ID or credit card verification to confirm that. Now, number three, business or individual verification. So, business sellers need a valid Singapore business registration, legal representative's ID, tax ID, business license, bank account in your legal business name. Individually owned sellers can use passport or NRIC and verify via ID scan. Number four is the bank account and shipping details. A local bank account such as PayPal, Stripe also supported in some regions. Warehouse or pickup address and a return address. Product compliance. In order for you to proceed, you must follow TikTok's product listing rules, such as image quality, accurate descriptions, no prohibited goods. The step by step setup in Singapore. So, first, you need to create or convert to a business account. Sign in to the TikTok Seller Center via TikTok.com. So, this is the seller's profile. On the left side, you can see here the home, orders, products, marketing, affiliate. If you want to try on affiliate, you can tap this one. Sell with video and go live. Growth, apps and services, analytics, account health, and finances. So all you need to do here is to just basically fill in some information needed, especially account information where it needs to verify your email address, password, and also you must have verified phone number. For account security, you need to follow the two-step verification. Like the text messages, you need to toggle this one on, email, toggle this one on, authenticator application, toggle this one on. Okay, so basically, once you have added everything here, such as your account information, the seller information, and business information, it's about time to add your products. So again, once you have create or convert to a business account, your TikTok, you have apply and upload documents, you have link your bank, it's now time to add your first product. So here you have to go to manage product and upload manually or via batch integration with Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce. It's up to you. So here in the manage section, that should be under homepage. Under products, you should see this manage products right here. Product bundles, product optimizer, add your product, product rating, batch tool, media center, opportunity center, manage tag, and so on. So basically, to start, selling here on TikTok, especially if you're living in Singapore, is of course you need to add your product. It should be your own product unless you are related or currently an affiliator or affiliate marketer in short. So all you have to do here is of course add a product and then enter the information. Now in the manage products, you will see here active, okay, inactive, suspended, draft, and deleted. You can also see here the prices. You can edit this one. You can tap more. And basically, that's it. So in the seller center, also aside from the managed products, you can see also here the settings like orders, shipping, promotions, and shopping center. So if you want to change your shipping address or payment method, you just have to go to this whole page. Under this left section, you can see the following information right here. So promotion, you can launch and best practices, so you can do live streams and shoppable videos. You can use live selling in short videos with trending hashtags music to boost engagement. Promotion and badges offer free or express shipping and use TikTok badges like free 3-day delivery or higher commission for affiliates. Affiliate marketing collaborate with creators 18 plus, typically or 1 to 5K followers to boost reach commission range from 5 to 20%. You can also follow the same policies, use accurate title descriptions, quality images, avoid misleading claims, and lastly, fast fulfillment. Ship quickly to avoid penalties. Free or express shipping boosts customer trust. So, in short, the process flow, what to do. Again, number one, you need to convert a TikTok business account. Number two, apply via Seller Center SG, and you need to upload required documents such as ID. You need also to take a picture like a selfie in order for them to know that you're really the one who's using the TikTok account. Also, you need to link a local bank account, and don't worry, you can also connect your PayPal. So make sure that as much as possible you are using Visa or MasterCard. For ad products, or number four, you can add products with compliant listings such as the good images, correct description, and exact shipping. Now, step five, wait for approval. It could be 1 to 2 days. And then after that, once everything is okay and successful, you can now launch with live streams, affiliate collaborations, badges, and promotions. So, final tips. Use third-party integration to streamline inventory listings, such as a Shopify, as much as possible. Try flash deals to spike visibility, and monitor performance via Seller Center analytics inside the Seller Center, and adjust content strategy with trending formats. So, by following the steps and meeting the eligibility criteria, you will be well positioned to launch and grow your TikTok shop in Singapore. Another thing, also, as much as possible, you need to be a very attentive and communicate with your audience if they have questions. So don't just post products, respond to comments, go lively regularly as much as possible. Use TikTok trends to stay visible. Consistent interaction builds trust, boosts your content in the algorithm, and increases your chances of going viral. On TikTok Shop, engagement often sells more than discount. Answer them. It can boost your TikTok profile and also for engagement purposes. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to sell TikTok or sell on TikTok Shop Singapore. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.